All right, welcome back to the KOA Morning News. Today with us in studio, I'm excited to say that Emily Frankowski, we're so excited to have you here.
Thanks for having me.
I think we were talking during the break, the last time we had you in studio was February of 2020, before this all happened.
Yeah, it was right before our last performance before COVID. We were lucky that we, finished our season completely. A lot of people weren't able to, but yeah, it's exciting to be back.
Well, and while we haven't had you in studio, you guys have still had tons of events going on, things for people to do in the community.
Yeah.
And you have a lot planned for this month as well.
Yes, we do. So this next week, actually Saturday of this week, December 11th, we have the Dallas String Quartet coming in for their Electric Christmas performance. So we're really excited about that. That's going to be at Ozark Christian College at 7 p.m. And this is really, it's a family-friendly event. It's not your traditional, typical holiday show because this group is just amazing. They're an international music sensation. They play both traditional string instruments and then also electric string instruments.
Ooh.
So they're a little, dare I say, punk rock. They're not going to be playing that kind of music, but they're just a little bit different. They're not your grandma's traditional string quartet. So definitely a really exciting show. The first half, they will come out and they'll play their acoustic instruments. And, they'll have some of their, most popular songs, some Christmas songs in there too. And then they will take an intermission. And then when they come back, they'll have their electric instruments. So it's a really unique group in that way.
Are they going to be playing Christmas songs with their electric instruments?
Yes. So they're going to
punk Christmas.
Yes, exactly. A little rock. Yeah. But they do all types of music. They do contemporary music, classical music, Christmas music. So the majority of the music you'll hear is Christmas themed, but they'll also play some of their most popular songs. If you go to their YouTube channel, they have millions of views from people. They most recently played at Blake Shelton and Gwen Stefani's wedding.
Oh, wow.
So when A-listers kind of request, a group to play for such a personal event, that, this group has a little bit something to keep track of.
And now they're coming to Joplin.
Exactly.
Awesome.
Yeah, and we are really fortunate because we got a neat grant from the Mid-America Arts Alliance and the National Endowment for the Arts to allow them to go to the Wildwood Senior Living Center before the concert. So the same day, they're going to be doing outreach for the residents there that we're really grateful for. And then that night will be the public performance. So people better get their tickets soon because Christmas shows are always really popular.
Awesome. Okay, so what else do we have going on?
Yeah, so in the rest of the month, for all arts and culture, just go to connecttoculture.org and see all of the events that different hosting organizations are doing. One of them that I wanted everyone to keep in mind was there's so many classes, but the Ugly Sweater event at Wildcat Glades is one.
I heard there was a fun hike.
I know, that it's a hike. It's about 3.75 miles, which is almost perfect. It's almost the amount of steps you need for the entire day. So this is a great event that you can take part in at Wildcat Glades. And you don your ugly sweater, you go there, you meet them, and then you'll have a guided hike. So it's kind of a class in a sense that they'll point out different things along the route. And you'll get to see and learn new things and get ready for the new year because everyone has, those health goals going into the new year.
Awesome. Yeah, and if you have like an ugly stocking cap or any of those things, you can just add to it.
Yes, exactly. And then another one that's going on that I thought was pretty neat is called The Impossible Journey. And this is MSSU Art Department students and faculty. They actually, during COVID, they always have semesters that they kind of international themed semesters. And this year it's Japan themed. And they've been trying to go to Japan for over, I don't know, it was like months and months just with COVID and all those details, you couldn't get there. They finally did get there. And they learned all about, traditional Japanese arts and crafts. So basically, they've just created an exhibit of artwork that they've made that's inspired by traditional Japanese arts and crafts. So that's another fun thing to do.
Well, Emily, thank you so much. And where can everyone find out more about all of these events?
They just go to connecttoculture.org. We have a great calendar on there that people can check out, or you can even subscribe for our emails. That you don't have to, do any work at all. It just comes to your inbox, and we give you a lineup of performances, events, exhibits, and classes that are happening in the Joplin area.
It's definitely the way to do it.
Yes.
Well, thank you so much for coming in. Later this morning, we'll have this interview on our website at KOAMnewsnow.com. Appreciate it, and love having you back in studio.
Me too. I love being here.
All right, we'll be right back.